Labor shortages, increasing demand for e-commerce, and growing expectations for same-day or next-day deliveries mean packing teams are facing pressure like never before. Zebra packing bench solutions are optimized for modern logistics environments, providing warehouse workers with a faster, more streamlined experience. Our combination of fixed industrial scanning and linerless print technology saves valuable seconds on every pack, empowering frontline workers to operate 33% faster versus conventional solutions. Fixed scanners enable faster, more ergonomic barcode scanning, so your employees no longer have to juggle boxes and hand scanners to get the job done. With linerless print technology, you can easily print multiple label sizes from a single desktop device. Not to mention it eliminates label peeling and that pesky trailing liner for a safer, greener workplace. Zebra packing solutions are better for your bottom line, better for your workers, and better for the environment. Experience the difference. Contact us to see how Zebra packing solutions can perform in your own warehouse environment.